Here it was the kitten in the road. I'm driving in the shelter with the 4 puppies and the mother. I saw the kitten here is the kitten also. We will stop to the vet. We will stop in the clinic at the vet to leave the kitten and we'll go in the shelter. I saw the kitten, the car was driving, the car hit the kitten was walking with the front legs and I don't know what's going on. We will see at the clinic now. The kitten was nearly paralyzed. Don't worry, I tried to rescue them all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Poor kitten. Well, I'm glad that I saw it and I stopped and now we go to the vet and to the shelter.